Gaming stocks, bit of a mixed bag this year with some eye-popping winners. Take a look at Rush Street Interactive, up 132%, and then FanDuel parent company Flutter up 32%. But MGM and Caesars shares, they're negative for the year. And then look at Penn, really struggling in spite of high hopes around its ESPN Bet sportsbook. Our Contessa Brewer is gearing up for a full day of coverage from the Global Gaming Expo in Las Vegas.
Good morning, Frank. Commercial casinos surpassed last year's records by more than 7% in the first 7 months of this year, hauling in gaming revenue of more than $41 billion, according to the American Gaming Association. Sports betting and iGaming are driving most of that growth. And game manufacturers like Light & Wonder are seeing the benefit of both their physical slot machines and their online games. This year, its shares soared 37%. But in September, it saw a steep sell-off of almost 20% when a judge issued a preliminary injunction against Light & Wonder's hot new game, Dragon Train, which contributed about 5% to its bottom line. Competitor Aristocrat had sued over copyright infringement. I talked with CEO Matt Wilson about yanking those games and moving forward.
I think as an organisation we pride ourselves on competing fiercely but competing fairly. So we've removed the game from the fleet. We intend to bring it back into the portfolio, a 2.0 version of that game. What's been contested is really a narrow portion of the game. So we're working hard to build a new version that takes those areas out of contention and launch it back into the marketplace. Players want to play it, customers want to buy it, so we're going to have it in the portfolio.
There's a rush to push for iGaming legalization across the United States. And there's competition in this space.
Yeah.
Do you need more states to legalize in order for you to get an opportunity for more market share?
Yeah, we're the #1 supplier of slots in the US in the iGaming space today. It's quite unbelievable how fast the category is growing. We're seeing states like New Jersey growing above 20% 10 years after the inception of that as an iGaming state, which just speaks to the nascent demand in the marketplace. There's players playing offshore, online, in ways that are not regulated, not taxed, no harm minimization, not age-gated. So, our philosophy is we want to bring iGaming into these states, tax it, regulate it.
Aristocrat, traded in Australia, is the global powerhouse in this game-making space. And Apollo has made a deal to buy the gaming businesses of manufacturers IGT and Everi. European companies, Playtech and Evolution, are innovating with live dealer games and more. These are definitely not the one-armed bandits that our grandmothers knew and loved. A lot of opportunity in this space.